Okay, so the fire alarm went off at 1:08 p.m. or 1:08 a.m. It's now December 2nd. So it's four fire alarms and a, let's see, it's yeah, this is the fifth fire alarm in a 24-hour period. So they've gone for the gold here. So, five fire alarms in less than 24 hours. So 1:08 in the morning. Um, and that's December 2nd, 2022. But, you know, I knew that I can always sense it. I can always sense when these idiots are about to pull the fire alarm. It's in, you know, but this can't go on without some sanction from law enforcement or the fire department or the city. I mean, the management in this building is liable for this, and believe me, you know, they know who's doing it.